In this video, I'm going to show you how you download and export a PDF version of your rota. So if you go to the rota builder and open up the rota you want to download, the next step is to simply click on the print button on the top navbar. Here we're presented with a list view of all the shifts within the rota, and on the top right you have the options to filter that view by either looking at the full rota, what's remaining of the rota, the next week, the next month, or you can also use the date options to select a particular date range that you want to look at. You will notice that beside some of the shifts that there's a little turning icon. This just represents that there has been a change made to that particular shift, and we can check the details of those changes underneath. Once you have selected the date range that you want to look at, I'm going to look at the next month. You can double check that that is the view that you're looking at. And when you're ready to export, simply hit the PDF button on the top right. As you can see, this is now downloaded onto my drive, and by opening that up, you can now see that this is the PDF version of your rota. It shows you who the lead is and the export date of that rota, including the time.